Contrary to popular belief, a lot of people think that if you want to start forex trading, you need a bunch of devices and gadgets like laptops, iPads, desktops, big screens and all of that. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to start forex trading using nothing but just your smartphone. In case you're using an Android device or an iOS device, every application I'll be mentioning in this video can be downloaded on both types of devices. What's up guys, in case you're new to the channel, I'm ifexthegreat, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for all of your support. Without any further ado, let's get straight into today's video. Now we are on our Play Store, and the first device we're going to be downloading today is TradingView. So I want you to go to Play Store or App Store and search for TradingView. So I'm going to do that right now. TradingView is the name of the application we're downloading first. So this is TradingView right here. You can see it on both your Play Store or if you're on Android on App Store. It's the same thing, TradingView. So I want you to go ahead and install the application TradingView. So what you're going to do on TradingView is basically where you make analysis of the forex market on. You make your analysis of currency pairs, there's crypto, there's metals, indices, and whatever, even stocks. You can find them in TradingView. So you are going to go ahead and create an account on TradingView right now. So I'm going to continue with Google because I already have a Gmail account with TradingView. So now that TradingView has successfully opened, you can see that there is a bunch of pairs there. Pairs like NZUSD, that's what they call the currency pair. XZD, that's New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. Then we have Euro USD, which is Euro versus US dollar. We have AUD CAD. We have multiple pairs, and these are what they call forex pairs. You can also, if you want to add new pairs or you want to add new assets to the list of your trading view, you have to press this plus icon, which you have right here. So I'll press the plus icon. It says add. If you want to add like gold, now a metal, or BTC, you can search for BTC, and you basically see BTC chart. So since most people use Binance for their brokers, we're going to use BTC for Binance. You can click on that and you press the plus icon. Now you have successfully added BTC to your list. So I'm going to also add one more pair. Let's say I want to add gold. So gold is represented as XAUUSD. So I'm going to search for XAUUSD, which is gold. Then the broker I use personally for trading here, analyzing my pairs, is forex.com. So I'm going to press this and I'm going to press the plus icon to add gold to the list. Now you can see that both BTC and gold are successfully added to the list right now. And I'm going to open one of these pairs here, which is NZUSD, to show you how a chart looks like when you open the chart. So as I'm going to open NZUSD now, I just open NZUSD here. We already have our analysis done on NZUSD. Remember guys, I have made separate videos in the past explaining how to analyze the forex market. So if you have not watched that video, ensure you go watch those videos before you continue with this one. Now that you're on landscape mode now, I want you guys to be able to understand a few things. These are the major and important tools that you need in TradingView if you want to analyze the forex market. So down here now, there are a lot of icons beside the NZUSD place. So we're going to press on the pen icon, which is how we're going to draw. The first tool that I use personally in TradingView is trend line. So this is trend line right here. Then we also have the horizontal line. We have the horizontal ray, vertical line. These are the ones I use personally. Then we also have the Fibonacci tool right here. There are a bunch of tools here. Then these are the long position and the short position tools right here. So these are basically there's the arrow tool, there's the rectangle box tool. So if you want to add any tool to your favorite, and once you add them to favorite, you can see that they're already showing on my screen right here. These are the tools. So if you want your tools that you use frequently to show on your screen, you go to that pen icon place, then you select the tool you want. Let's say I want to add Fibonacci retracement right now. I'll hold Fibonacci retracement and I'll see add favorite. Then I press that. Once I've pressed that, you can see that Fibonacci retracement that is added to our list of tools that we use frequently. Currently on my chart, you can see that there are a bunch of lines, and the lines are labeled from H1, H4, and the rest. These are my analysis that I've done on the previous video on how to analyze the forex market. If you've not watched that video, I'll be leaving it on the card above so you can watch out those videos. So in every devices or every gadget they're opening this forex charts on TradingView on, this is how the chart is going to look like. So on the left now, you can see that there is the pairs here, NZUSD, Euro USD, and all of them, in case you want to switch to different pairs. And now this 1H, this simply signifies that okay, this is the 1 hour time frame. We have other time frames like the 2 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame, the daily time frame. My favorite time frames that I use most of the time are the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame, the daily time frame, the weekly time frame. Those are my important time frame because they are key time frames to signify direction and trend of the market. In case you don't understand all what I'm talking about here, I have a playlist created for forex trading beginners, so ensure you go check out the playlist. So basically, I'm the 1 hour time frame, which signifies that each of these candlesticks now, this red and green candlesticks you're seeing now, each of them will take 1 hour to completely form. So this is for the 1 hour time frame, and for the 4 hour time frame is the same thing. They will take 4 hours to form. For the daily time frame, it takes a day for them to form. So if you want to understand more of candlesticks, you can check out much video on YouTube, or you can also watch my videos. You don't really need to understand candlesticks per se, because you just need to understand, okay, where can you enter the forex market and when can you enter the forex market, which is important for you to know. So I've also made a video on that on my channel. Ensure you go to my channel, go to a playlist. I label the playlist Forex Trading for Beginners. Make sure you watch all these videos in the playlist. I explain to you what the trend is. I explain to you how to analyze the forex market. I even talked about the tools that I mentioned in this video there. The tools and applications that you need as a forex trader. I mentioned it there too. So ensure you check out that playlist and watch those videos so you can learn how I'm able to analyze the forex market this way and predict the direction of the market, and also know when to enter the market and when to leave the market if necessary. The next application we're going to be downloading on our Play Store right now is going to be a broker. A broker is simply how you can trade with your own personal funds in the forex market. You deposit in your funds, you're able to trade a live account to the broker. Without a broker, you cannot trade with your own personal funds in forex. So I'm going to be downloading a broker, and the broker I'm downloading in this video is going to be exness, because exness has an application. You can also withdraw your funds directly to your bank account using exness. Also, if you want to deposit to your forex account, you can use your bank account. If you're using exness, you can use your direct Nigerian or African bank account to deposit straight. So you convert your naira to dollar very easily with exness. So it's an application, it's a broker. It helps you trade your own personal funds in the market. So now that I'm on Play Store, I'm going to search for exness, is the name of the application. So exness, so that's the name of the application, exness, and this is the application right here on Play Store. I'm going to click on it. So this is in case you guys want to see. It's going to be the same thing on App Store if you're on iPhone. So you're going to install the application. Now exness, I just finished downloading. We're going to open the application right now. Exness, you just have to create an account with exness. I already have an account using this my email, so use your email, sign up for an account for exness, and then you'll be able to deposit your own funds into the forex market. So now that I'm on exness, this is how to create your own trading account in case you want to create your account to trade with. So you press create new right here. So what you want to create, they have demo account. Demo account is where you can place demo trades on. Those are not real funds. These are practice money. You cannot withdraw funds from a demo account. You can only practice your strategy and your trading style using a demo account. So if you want to create any of them, a real account is where you deposit your own real personal funds into the forex market. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to create a real account for you guys so you can see how easy it is to create a real account. So you are going to choose a standard account. So you continue. So now I want to explain something for you guys. The account currency, you can choose whatever currency you want, but for this video we're going to be using United States dollars. Then for the leverage, I will always advise you use maximum leverage, because the lower the leverage, the lower your trading power. So in case let's say you choose a 1 to 2 leverage, it's going to be very small. If they will use something like $10, you'll not be able to place a lot of trades. But once you are able to go as high as 1:2,000 leverage, meaning that you have the trading power of $20,000 if you're able to deposit $10 in your account. So with $10, you can actually take trades that are higher and are greater up to $20,000. Don't ever over risk, but why you should always create an account with high leverage, because you want to have greater trading power in case you want to grow an account. Let's say a small account of $10. So for this account name, I can just put test account. Since we are using this, is going to be a test account for YouTube. Then you continue, then you create the trading password. For me, follow the rules that are there and create a trading password. So I'm going to create a very easy trading password here. So just like that, I've created a trading password. Now I'm going to press open now. So like this, I'm going to be able to open a trading account, a forex trading account. You can see this is test account. You can see the amount of money in the account is just $0. So if you want to deposit to this account, you press deposit. Then you use all payments methods. Since we're going to be using direct bank transfer, which is going to be the easiest form of payment for a lot of you guys watching. Because you guys are not familiar with cryptocurrency or all of that, which is going to be more stressful for you guys, so you can use direct bank transfer, which I'm going to be showing you guys how to use in this video. So you're going to select on unlike bank transfer, which is here recommended. You click on that. Then once you click on it, the lowest amount you can deposit on exness is $10. So in this case, $10 is 17,449. So that's the current rate of $10 now. You can see it's 10 USD, 17,449 naira is usually approximately 10 USD. So you can deposit that as the lowest amount of money you can deposit in forex. So you press your continue right here, and now you see the amount. They tell us 1 naira is this and $1 to naira is 1744.83. So now we'll confirm our deposits. Now we'll confirm it here. This is why I like exness, because you can actually use your own bank account, your direct bank account to deposit to Forex. So you pay with bank transfer here, and you see this is the amount you're going to pay, 17,449. Then you understand the instructions. You have to make the payments. They'll provide you an account. Then you make this exact payment, 17,449, into the account. If you don't have to make more than it, you just make exactly this amount here. Then you press continue. Once you have pressed continue like this, now they're going to give you a bank account for you to be able to send your money to. So you see they're giving you a Wema account now for you to send your money. Once you send the 17,449 naira into this Wema account, you copy your Wema account and you send the money into it, your Forex account is going to be credited here. It's going to change to from $0 to $10 or any amount you want to deposit. First, just about trading view, which is where you place your analysis of the market. Secondly, we talked about the broker, which is exness in this case, which is where you trade with your own personal funds. Now, the application we're going to be downloading next is MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 is basically an application whereby you can be able to place your own trades on the market. Usually, you can use the exness app to place trades in the market, but MetaTrader 5 is actually a much more preferable platform to majority of traders out there in placing their trades. So if you want to download MetaTrader 5, go to your Play Store, your App Store. So here you're going to search for MetaTrader 5. So I'm going to search for that, MetaTrader 5. So this is MetaTrader 5 right here. You download it, it's going to be the same thing on your app store. So I'm going to download that now. So this is where you place your trades in the Forex market. It provides you with a bunch of tools that makes taking trades easier for you. You don't need to have any stress or any form of hassle when placing trades using MetaTrader 5. So make sure you're downloading MetaTrader 5 on your phone if you want to place trades in your Forex, but you want to take trades in Forex. So now the application just finished downloading. We're going to press open an account with MetaTrader 5. So one thing you need to know about MetaTrader 5 is that you can actually log in your exness, your broker in MetaTrader 5. So in this case, we can log in our exness account into MetaTrader 5, which I'll be showing you guys very soon. So you accept the terms and condition right here. So they will tell you to open a demo account. You're going to open an account with them. Then you input the information, whatever information you want to input, you input it there. So since this is a demo account, these are the only pairs that we have to trade with. So for example, if you want to place a trade, an immediate buy or sell, you click on this icon right here. You can see you can buy or you can sell the asset. So for this, I'm going to use a one lot on this, and I'm going to click on sell. So if you want to sell BTC right now, which BTC is currently at 82k, if you want to sell it right now, you press on sell here, you accept the terms, and then you press on it again. And just like that, guys, I've entered a sell position on BTC right now. So this is how you can enter trade. So right in the bottom, these are quotes. Quotes are where you can see the pairs that you have to trade. Then this is chart. Chart is where you can enter the market. In case you want to enter the market, this is chart where you can enter the market, where you can view the market that you want to enter. So in this case, I'm viewing BTC right now, which I just entered a sell position. Then trade, this is where you actually monitor how much you are winning or how much you're making in the market using MetaTrader 5. So this is where you monitor it. Then the history shows the amount of trades you have placed. The messages is not really important. So we go back on charts right now. We can see now that we're currently on this position on BTC, we currently entered a sell on BTC. This is just a test. This is not, I did not make an analysis of this market before I enter, but it's just a test. So if you want to put our stop loss in this sell, in this current position we have, you can simply click on the sell position that we currently have right now. We click on it here. Then we carry our stop loss. We press on SL, which signifies stop loss. You can place our stop loss just above this high right here. Then meaning that if price goes to this high right here, we eventually end up losing $300 because of the amount of position size that we're using. So we'll modify this, and like pressing modified, we have successfully added the stop loss to our trade. So once price gets to this place now, it's going to invalidate our trade, so we're going to lose $300. So if you want to put a take profit, which is the price you're expecting price to reach, where you're expecting price to reach in order to make money from the market, you click on the sell position again, your order position. You see TP down here, you press on TP, which is take profit. Then let's say we put it on this low right now, which is at $800 or $900 approximately. So once you have pressed and set your TP numbers there, you can simply click on the arrow and press on modify. Now we have modified this trade. We both have our stop loss position, and we have where we are looking to take stop loss, and we have where we're looking to take profit. So with proper analysis of the market, you can actually enter the good trades if you want to enter a good trade. So this is how you can use exness and MetaTrader 5 to place your trades. If you want to go in depth on how to use MetaTrader 5, I'll be leaving the link of how to use MetaTrader 5 on a smartphone in the description so that you can be able to understand what tools you will need using MetaTrader 5. So now the fourth and final application which you guys will have to download is MyFXB. So currently we're on Play Store and I'm going to search for MyFXB. So you go to the search icon and you search for MyFXB. This is MyFXB application right here. So you're going to click on install. Now, what does MyFXB do? MyFXB is an application whereby you can track your account's progress. You can also calculate your risks, that's risk management, how much you're willing to risk per trade. And lastly, you can check for news events that are going to occur in the market. So it's an application that contains a lot of features. So downloading this application is very important to you, because if you want to keep a track record of your account, you can log in your broker details into MyFXB so that you can track the percentage of your account. You can know what your win rate is and how far or how many percentage your account has grown over a certain period of time. Also, if you want to check for news events, you can also check news events in MyFXB and you can calculate your risks. That is how much you're willing to risk in a particular trade. When the very gets good now, you can see that the application is already showing us the news events that happened in the market today. You can also check for the news events that happened yesterday in the market and tomorrow. The news event is going to happen tomorrow, and you can also check for news events that are going to happen this week, which you can see right here. All the news events are going to be listed out. Then the news events that are going to happen next week in the market is also here on MyFXB. So you're clicking on this three slide icon on the top here, top left here. You can see that we have portfolios, signals, forex debate, calendar, markets, news, outlook, calculators, and all of that. So the important things you need to know is the portfolio first. The portfolio is where you can log in your own personal broker. So the account that we created on a broker, which is exness, you can log in the exness account here to track the progress of the account on portfolio. You have to create an account on MyFXB if you want to do that. Then the next feature that I'm going to show you now is calendar. Calendar is where you see the news events in MyFXB. So these are the news events in MyFXB. Then the last I want to show you now is the calculator. The calculator is basically a risk management calculator. You simply enter the pair you want to trade, you enter your account size, you enter your how much you're willing to risk in the account, you enter your amount of stop loss in pips. Then it helps you calculate the lot size you lose per trade, so that if the trade eventually goes against you, you'll be able to know how much you are going to lose. It gives you an idea of how much you're going to lose if the trade actually goes against you. So here, for an example, you can see that the pair is selected to Euro USD here. The currency of the account is in USD. Then the account size, depending on your account size, so I'm going to use like $50 for account size. Then the stop loss, which is your stop loss of your particular trade. Let's say we are trading with a 20 pip stop loss. I'm going to put a 20 pip stop loss right here. Then what's the risk to reward ratio? How much do you want to risk? If you don't know about percentage, you can actually swap with money. How much money? You can press swap with money here, which is how much money are you willing to risk in that particular trade. So let's say in this particular trade on Euro USD with 20 pip stop loss, I'm about to risk $5 here. So the trade size type is going to tell you, okay, is it lots or mini lots, standard lots, or micro lots, or mini lots, or any type of lot. So is it standard lot because we're using a standard loss account? Then trade size is going to be left at 1.0 because that's a standard loss account. So we're going to press on calculate now, and as you can see, it already gives us the percentage that we're risking, which is money in USD. We're risking 10%. The unit is 2500 units, and the lot size that it tells us to use here is 0.03. So once we use 0.03 on this particular trade on Euro USD with a 20 pip stop loss on a $50 account, we can use 0.03 and we'll end up losing $5 if the trade actually goes against us. So this is a very important and a very effective application that helps traders a lot. So it's a must-have because it keeps track of your account's progress. It gives you the news updates of the market, and lastly, you can calculate risk management using this particular application. And now that will be all for today's video. This is going to be a recap of everything. So TradingView, the first application I talked about, is an application whereby you track the progress of the market, which is where you make your analysis of the forex market. The second application I talked about was a broker. A broker is simply how you trade with your own personal funds. The broker I mentioned in this video was exness. It's an application, and I mentioned it and I've showed you guys before. The third application I mentioned in this video is MetaTrader 5, which is where you can log in your exness account, which is your broker. You can log in your broker into MetaTrader 5. Then allow you to execute trade with your own personal funds. The fourth application I mentioned in this video is MyFXB, which is where you can track the progress of your account, calculate risk management, and check for news events in the market. So with these applications, I believe that whatever you need in forex trading, you can achieve them using only these 4 applications that I've mentioned in this video. If you're able to gain knowledge from today's video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so that you can notify whenever I upload future videos. One more thing that I believe that is going to be helpful for you beginners out there is I'm creating a free Telegram group. This Telegram group is not going to be for signals or for any form of teachings in such a way. It's going to be just for sessions. I'll be hosting sessions once every month in that Telegram group. It's completely free, you're not paying anything. But just know that this Telegram group is not a mentorship group or is not a signals group. I'll be hosting these sessions once every month to talk to you guys, to explain my analysis and the view of the market, to tell you guys as a beginner, to teach you how to analyze the markets and all of those things. So with all that said, I wish you guys have a lovely, a safe and an amazing day. Goodbye everybody.